Alright guys, so this is the setups video for the week of the 13th of Jan. So last week we had a good trade on EURCAD, which we are still in, holding over the weekend. I'll break down this trade after we go over some cryptos. So starting off as always with Bitcoin. We did break through this area on the daily, but we got a massive bearish engulfing under which closed underneath the area, so did not look to buy anymore. XRP pushed up a little bit, should close as a bullish candlestick. Yeah, good sign, should push up next week. Matic still hasn't broken through this area. Once we break through this area, I'll look to buy some more. Okay, now we got gold. Gold amongst our very clean daily area of interest. We are still bearish as well, so if we get a 4-hour close inside this area and a 4-hour shift of structure, then we'll look to enter sells inside this area. Starting off FX, EURCAD, this is the trade we entered last week. We got this entry on the 1 hour. So here we've got a shift of structure. Once we broke below this low over here, and we retrace back, and I counted this as the bearish engulfing, but I probably should have waited for here for this bearish engulfing, but the trade moved in our direction. Yeah, been holding this trade, caught a second entry as well. Yeah, caught a second entry here with a 1 to 3 and the first entry 1 to 5. We're gonna hold this to TP5 unless we get a better entry from another trade. Then we'll close this out and enter another trade. So starting off the new pairs, the first pair of the week, GBPUSD, very clean weekly area of interest here. One touch here, another touch here, another touch here, solid 3 touches. We need a daily close inside of this area, and the daily and the weekly are also both bearish, good sign, and a lower time frame shift to structure before entering this trade. The next pair we've got is USDCHF. This is a very clean weekly area of interest with 8 touches, but this isn't the first pair because we're not clearly above the area of interest. I could stretch this area of interest and include this point, and we'd still be inside the area of interest, but just how I saw it was to here. So unless we get a very clean daily close inside, maybe a doji candlestick as well, and a very clean shift of structure on a lower time frame, I will not be entering this trade, because this area of interest could just be used as another resistance level and just reject like the previous times, because it hasn't closed much further above than the previous high. So next pair, CADJPY, pretty clean setup, again weekly area of interest. Yeah, we're bearish on the weekly, we are bullish on the daily. We need a shift below. This is a weekly area of interest with 8 touches again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, very clean area of interest. Yeah, just wait for shift the structure on the daily. We need the daily to close below here, and a lower time frame shift of structure. Next pair, NZDJPY. This is a daily area of interest, really clean one, but daily area of interest. We've got 1 2 3 solid touches here. So we need a 4-hour close inside the area of interest, and a shift of structure on the lower time frame. This is where our take profit point would have to be, because it's a weekly structure point. Could maybe stretch it to here, but I don't think so. We'll see how its price action is around the area, but yeah, clean setup. Next we've got EURGBP, another daily, 2 daily area of interest. We've got one here with 1 2 3 4 5 solid touches, and one here with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 solid touches. So whichever we get the shift to structure in, we will look to take buys off of it. Yeah, weekly is bullish, daily is also bullish. Very good sign for a push. My favorite pair right now is gold, because I feel that this will definitely play out over the week and we'll get a nice push, shift the structure on the 4 hour and be able to take sells. So yeah, still holding EURCAD. We'll update you guys in the Telegram throughout the week, and I'll post a EURCAD trade breakdown video once we close it out. Yeah, hope we have a good week.